Hey, welcome, my name is Martin. I'm the creator of Super Mega Space Game. Here is Game Dev Garage. I'm making Cocos Creator tutorials in this channel. Check links in the description for the playlist and hit subscribe and hit the bell to get notification when new videos released. In this video, I will share with you a very little but important tip about sprites. In Super Mega Space Game, we made a planet. Actually, this is the fourth planet in the game, and we didn't think the texture size will be a problem when we first started to design this planet. Later, after we built and tested in devices, on some phones, this level will not be able to play it because the texture size is very huge for a mobile device. So we decided to replace the sprite with a lower resolution one. So this is the important thing happens. For example, here I have two different sizes of sprites with the same design, and this is bigger, this is smaller one. Here I have smaller one. Let's assume we want to increase this resolution for more powerful devices. So just let's replace with big sprite. As you can see, the node is scaled up. Actually not scaled up, but size is changed. Let's see previous one. The size is 270 to 80, and after I replaced, the size became 540 and 160, as you can see. So this is not really we love to see in our game when we replacing sprites, especially in here Super Mega Space Games planet, because I very hardly aligned the physics colliders with the artifact of image surface details. So I used a little trick here. Just go to sprite and change the size mode to custom. After you set the size and change the size mode to custom, you can replace the sprite with any other sprite. So you can even replace with different aspect ratios of sprites, but the size will be saved. So this is very important. It was very important for me in Super Mega Space Game when I want to replace sprites. Okay, this is all for this video. If you want to see how is Super Mega Space Game, please go to supermegaspacegame.com and download the game. The game is in the beta phase now. You can play and give me your feedbacks in the comments below, or maybe in email. So hope you like this video. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe the channel, and see you on next videos. Bye.